When you deploy your app, your code gets compressed. All variable names become short. All files get combined into one. Line numbers change. Source maps fix the problem. A source map is a file that connects to the compressed code back to your original code. You upload it once, and after that, every error shows your real file names and real line numbers. Let me show you how easy it is. We'll do Flutter Web first, then Next.js. I am in the Flutter SDK example project. First, let's build for web with the source map flags. Build is done. Inside build web, we have two important files, main.js, which is our compressed app, and main.js map, which is the source map. Just one file. Now I go to my project in Rivium trace, open settings, and I see the source map sections. I drag the .map file here, type the version 0.1.0. This must be the same version I have in my SDK config, and click upload. That's it. Source map is uploaded. Now let's create an error and see what happens. I open the app, tap trigger crash. Go back to the dashboard. The error is here. I click on it. This is the original tab, the compressed version. No helpful. Now I click resolved and look lib/main.dart. That's my real file, my real line number. I can go straight to this line and fix the bug. The long package paths are also cleaned up. Instead of .pub cache host pubdev, you will see package name file.dart. Now Next.js. First, add one line to your Next.js config. Production browser source map equal true. Build the project. Next.js is different from Flutter. It creates many small chunk files, not one big file. So you get many source maps. The example project has a script that collects all .map files into one folder. Now I just drag them all into Rivium trace settings, set version to first 0.0.0 and upload. All uploaded, about 20 files, no problem. Rivium handles up to 500 at once. Now I go to the app, trigger an error. This is one calls three functions inside each other. In the dashboard, original shows just chain names, but result shows app, source map, page.tsx. That's the whole thing. Build your app, upload source maps, and every crash shows your real code. Rivium Trace is free to get started. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.